How to adjust a Rainbird 22 SA. The Rainbird 22 SA rotary nozzle sprinkler is installed, hidden underground, and rises up to water the lawn when activated by a timer. The 22 SA features a spray range of 17 to 24 feet and comes in 3 different models and spray patterns: the 22 SA F, 22 SA H and 22 SA Q. The 22 SA emits multiple rotating streams for even water distribution and can withstand a range of water pressure. When mapping out your irrigation system, you'll need to know how to adjust the sprinklers to fit the dimensions of your lawn. Things you'll need: flathead screwdriver. Insert a flathead screwdriver into the radius reduction screw on the top center of the spray head and twist it clockwise to reduce the radius or throw by 25%. This reduction doesn't affect the amount of water flowing through the spray head. Insert the screwdriver into the radius reduction screw and twist it counterclockwise to restore the throw or radius to its full capacity. The 22 SA rotary deflector, located just below the spray head, is colored yellow to indicate a throw of 17 to 24 feet, whereas a black deflector color indicates a 13 to 18 foot throw and is uncharacteristic of the 22 SA. Install one of the 3 22 SA models into corresponding areas of your lawn. The 22 SA comes in 3 different spray ranges: the 22 SA F rotor, which is marked with a blue radius adjustment slot and emits a full circle spray pattern; the 22 SA H rotor, which is marked with an orange radius adjustment slot and emits a half circle spray pattern; and the 22 SA Q rotor, which is marked with a yellow radius adjustment slot and emits a quarter circle spray pattern. Install the 22 SA Q into areas such as corners. Install 22 SA H rotors against flat walls, such as the side of the house or fence. Install 22 SA F rotors in the center of the watering area, where the area surrounding the sprinkler is all grass or foliage. Grasp the stem while the water is circulating and twist the spray head direction toward the desired watering area after the sprinkler is installed. If the model is a 22 SA H or a 22 SA Q, twist the spray away from walls or pavement and align the spray pattern with the watering area. Tips: warnings. The grooves below the spray head also indicate the spray range of the 22 SA, with a printed F for full, an H for half and a Q for quarter.